Hey, hey. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, me nah hear no story. Making love, no faking love. Me nah hear no story. Making love, no faking love. Me nah hear no story. Making love, no faking love. This time no story. Making love. This time no story. Sometimes I beg and plead, not because I am wrong and weak, but because you love me a free, you make I weep. Me nah hear no story. Making love, no faking love. Me nah hear no story. Making love, no faking love. Me nah hear no story. Making love, no faking love. This time no story. Making love. This time no story. Making love. In my heart, girl, you know. Girl, you know. Say me love you, me cannot let you go. Me can never let you go, girl, I hear that. Girl, you controlling my soul, yeah. Agbana Aula is over. Vikani by a bankoma. You dey follow that Range Rover. Now you dey want come closer. Sometimes I dey cry, yeah, yeah, aye. It's shouting high, hey, broken heart. I dey feel like that.
I'm really tired. I'm really tired.
I know you are. I know you are. Finally, we're back home now. I've missed this room.
It's been a while.
Yeah. You know, I really love you so much. And I can't wait to have my kids with you. Such a beautiful day.
I've also wanted to tell you that you made me the happiest man on earth. And I'm going to be faithful to you if you don't cheat on me.
It is my duty.
Promise you I'm going to do that.
It is my duty to be faithful.
You promise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Is that enough?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa!
Hi, bro.
Look who we have here.
We just had you guys coming in.
Yeah, that's true. We just.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
Mom, we
Oh, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come
I
on.
didn't even know life. I didn't even tell us you guys were going to be going.
You should understand me. Come on, you should know. This COVID is just making things difficult for all of us, you know. We just wanted to keep it low. But don't worry, we'll have time to talk about this and maybe.
Alright.
Yeah. Thank you. I hope you're doing good. And how are you doing yourself? And how's work? We bless God. We bless God. We bless God. Why too? Would you like to?
No. It's even late, so we'll get back to you in the morning.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, bro, for life.
How is your bro?
Yeah.
Alright, to take good care of yourself. Thank you. Alright.
Pick up. Where is this Jew? Pick up. I don't know how to go about with this thing, but I'm due. Yeah, I'm pregnant. And it's not for my husband. You know directly it's you. You know.
What? Okay, listen. You need to get rid of that child. It will spoil our plans.
I know I'm supposed to get rid of the pregnancy. And
all of it. You know I love you. Please, you have to do this for me, I promise I'm gonna marry as soon as my brother is dead. Alright? I promise.
I don't know what I'm really thinking now. I don't know. I don't even want Lance to come and see me in the States. I don't really know. I don't know what is going to happen if he notices I'm pregnant.
You know what? So I'll take you to this village doctor of mine so that everything will be okay. Don't worry.
I had to marry Lance because your father left you nothing. He hadn't left you anything. You know, Lance has everything, every control, every position that he has.
Right? I love you so much.
Okay, bye.
I think I need to leave.
Why?
I have someone around to pick up, it's very urgent, so you need to leave. Alright?
Baby.
Don't worry, you need to leave. I just need to do one or two things, so you need to leave, okay? Alright?
Okay.
Hurry up.
Baby, relax.
It's just that it's urgent, so I'll call you, okay?
Okay, baby. Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
I'll call you.
Okay.
Alright.
Issues to do with tonight, Yeah. I feel good. Hey. Baby. Hey.
Babe.
Sleeping already?
I'm tired.
Come on, I just want us to have a good time. Okay?
Babe, not today, please. Not today, please. I'm really tired, not today.
Come on. Just once. I'm not gonna disturb much.
Babe, not today, please.
Seriously?
Not today.
Alright. I wish you good night then.
Good night.
Foxy, you called. What is wrong?
I'm not gonna miscarriage.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. I'm having miscarriage, but I haven't told Lance about it.
Come on. You know Lance would love to have kids with you.
Yes, he would, and I'm ready to have kids with Lance because I love you.
How can you be this wicked?
No. I don't know how wicked I can be, but that's what I feel. The And that's the reason why I can't have children with Lance.
No, Foxy. You know Lance loves you and he wants you to be the mother of his kids.
I'm not ready for him. I can't have children for him.
Oh.
I love Junior.
Don't eat.
I'm telling you this because you're my best friend. You're the person that can keep my secret. Pam, I just want you to lose God and just let my secret out.
You can't do this to Lance. You know
Whether
he
he
loves
deserves
you,
it
right?
or not, it has happened. There's nothing I can do. I'm just entrusting my secret to you.
Okay, fine. Have you taken any medications?
I went to a baby doctor for it.
Wow. I can't take.
How are you doing?
Relax. Everything is fine.
Well, where have you been lately?
I've been around. I've just been busy.
You here to get some stuff?
Yeah, I just came to get some stuff. But I have something to tell you.
Okay, no problem. What is this?
Yeah, I had a dream about you.
A dream?
The dream says you should be careful with the people around you.
People around me? This is strange to me. Come on.
Just
Throw more light on it. I just want to know. What is it?
It's not really, but you just need to be careful.
Careful.
Yes, and Junior has changed towards me.
Well, I wanted to also lodge in a complaint. Foxy lately showing up a certain kind of behavior. I don't really know what she's up to, but I'm so confused. I don't know. Maybe being your friend, you should talk to her.
To me too. He hardly even speaks to me. Junior has really changed.
This has been something I've been facing lately, but I don't know what to do.
Well, I'm going to the witch doctor. Can you please go with me?
Witch
I can't
doctor?
go alone. Yes, please.
Witch doctor?
Yes, please. Can you go with me? I can't go alone.
To get my solution, if that is fine, well, let's go. Come on now.
Nana.
Who is calling me Nana? Who told you I am Nana?
Sorry.
You are entering into the house of Akurugu Ebo, and you are calling me Nana. I am powerful more than Nana. I am powerful more than Nana. Remove your slippers where you are. Remove. Don't bring that thing here. Don't bring. I can see something. Something is happening somewhere. Something is actually going wrong somewhere. But I have to hear it from both of you, your mouth. What is your reason for coming into my honorable place? Your brother will kill you. Your wife will kill you. Yes. Now listen to me very carefully. One thing you have to know is that when you go, whatever thing that they give you to drink or eat don't try anything at all. Don't drink anything at all. Don't eat.
If we live here,
anything.
In fact, there's nothing we have to do with them. We have nothing to do with them.
We're going to be careful.
We are really going to be careful now. This. Why?
That is what Akurugu is telling me. Akurugu is telling Ibo.
Thank you.
Tell you that.
Thank you, Baba Ibo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Now listen. Those two idiots are owing me. Yes.
How?
You were here?
They came here. I did something for them and they didn't pay me back. So I am reversing the curse onto them.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Baba.
I am giving it for you. I'm giving it to you for free.
Thank you so much. We will surely come back. We will surely come
Young
back.
man,
Baba, have you seen my face? We will surely come back.
don't make promises you can
We will
keep.
surely come back, Baba. Hey! Baba, we'll come back, okay? Please, we'll come back. If you help us, please, we'll come back.
You can go.
Thank you so much.
You can
Thank you.
leave and go.
Mom, I called this meetup for a meeting. I have a plan on educating Lance and Julia's girlfriend. It's going to be true poison. And I was thinking you being a worker at the death registration certificate will be of help.
You are kidding me, right?
I'm being serious. Do I look like I'm kidding to you?
Foxy, you are so heartless.
What is being harmless got to do with this? You just my friend, you have to just stop, get me covered. And besides, I love Junior. There's nothing that can come between it. Not even Lance, not even you.
You know what? I am not gonna do it. Count me out.
Yo, bitch. Listen to me, you got to do it. I've got your dirty deeds, you got to do it. Do you understand me? You got to do it. Do you want to ruin your career? Do you know the kind of things you do, and do you know the whole world knows that you are going out with politicians? Do you want me to expose you?
You know what?
Just be serious with me, woman.
You are a real fucking bitch.
No one cares. This is
You are a fucking bitch. I don't know how I became friends with you.
Make you an asset to me, bitch.
Fuck.
Understand that?
You know what? To hell with you.
To hold you as well. You get me a low down or else you better expose. I'm ruining your career once and for all. I mean it.
You know what? Cut it.
Don't fuck me up. You know what I can do. You know what I can do. Don't fuck me up. You doing it or no?
Fine. I'll do it for you. But after this, do not in your lifetime try to contact
Whatever.
me.
You might not be of use to me.
You're
Excuse
fucking
me.
bitch. Get the fuck off my face.
Whatever. Cheers to that.
It's okay, let her have fun, you know. We are family, we just haven't.
I never invited you.
I know, she's in now. There's nothing to worry about.
No. Why is she here?
Just come and sit down, please. You need to be. Wow, yes. Sit now.
Seriously.
Yes. I scare you one.
You talking to me like that? Foxy.
Come on, guys. You guys should take it easy. You guys should take it easy.
There was a table for 4, right?
That's true. So why is the third person here? Why are you here?
She's always invited.
Babe, I never invited you here.
She has always been here as usual like this. Take it easy.
So what do we do now? Surprise for you guys.
Surprise again.
Yes. And it will require that you guys should drink up.
Drink up?
Yeah, you drink up.
It deserves you guys to drink. Drink up. Come on. Hurry up. Finish up. Finish up.
Okay, we're done.
It's all good. Well, the surprise I have for you is this. You both drank your poison. Yes, when you were planning to kill Nance and Sion, you were both planning to kill you guys.
So beautiful.
You think we don't know about the abortion?
You think we don't know?
Yeah.
You think we don't know?
So, see you guys both in hell.
I know everything about your planning. I'm so surprised how a wife could do this to me. A brother could do this to me.
Trust me.
Don't stay in him.
After not feeling anything.
You're my best friend.
After not feeling anything. After planning to come, you want me to have pity on you guys? You should rot in hell. You guys should rot in hell. And hell. Hell to hell.
Yep.
And after a beautiful wife here tonight. That's nice. Bro, you're dying, bro. Don't even call me bro. Don't even call me baby. Don't even call me baby. Don't call me bro. Today when you get to your grandparents, you ask them or you tell them why dad didn't leave anything behind for you. You have to die. They have to die. Siwana, these people have to die. That was a wicked thought. That was a wicked plan.
Why would they even think of doing that to us? What did we do wrong?
If not for the sake of vanity, luxury, what else?
Greed.
What else? Greed, what else?
Come on, let's go.
She's dead now.
She doesn't deserve that. See you both in hell.